Yo, what's good, boys? Mission today is to tighten up these forks right here. One of them dropped an inch, or pushed up I should say. We got the headset that's a little wobbly here. Hard to always catch it on the video. Anyways, gonna tune her up for a little session today. It's looking gorgeous. First, this one's gonna require some juice too. I don't want to fuck around. Look at that. I want to do some tricky shit. And what the fuck? I want to tighten them into each other. Snugged up. Let's go for that cruise here. Couple more clouds rolling in, but that gallon there, some extra oil there, wallet, should be good. We here. One-hander killing it. Here's not too bad. Speed. That last one,